Welcome back to the Black Star video. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin and Cardano. Let's talk about it. Let's get it. My name is Rich and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to have an interesting topic as Bitcoin and Cardano. We're going to talk about the two major cryptos in this ecosystem. The mother of all assets is Bitcoin, and which would be the third generation of blockchain is Cardano. How are they doing right now, and what are my thoughts on Bitcoin and Cardano for the near future? Let's talk about it. Let's get it. So we're going to start this video out a little different. I'm not going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Cardano. Cardano right now on DeFi Llama has 179.3 million total value locked. Now that's almost half the value that it had back last year in 2022. I believe it was in March, where we were over 300 million total value locked. But the significant difference between then and now is this. So if we switch it over to ADA, at the peak, Cardano was at 321 million ADA total value locked, and Cardano was roughly about $1, maybe $1 and change. So if we take a look at it now, Cardano now has 460 million coins locked right now in comparison to 324. So that's another 100 million coins that are locked into Cardano's protocol, more than 100, almost 150 more than before. So if we took that same value, we'd have over 400 million total value locked. Would be really, really good on the Cardano blockchain as a DeFi protocol blockchain right now. And if we look, total value locked and new projects that are launching on Cardano, now we have a total of 14 and growing. In the next couple of months, we should have, I would say by the end of third quarter, we should have about 20 DeFi applications. We'll be running into the halving. 2024 should be very, very interesting for Cardano. And if we take a look, the uniqueness of Wi-Fi moved it from number 12 all the way to number 6 in about 2 weeks. Our stablecoin has been over a month. It has been active and it's at 14 million total value locked. So the DeFi ecosystem on Cardano is growing rapidly. Something that you might want to take advantage of now. Not financial advice, but you should look into it. Might be great opportunities to gain other rewards in crypto that can help you lead to financial freedom in the very near future. And if we take a look at Cardano Cube, look at the various projects that are launching on Cardano, building on Cardano right now. It is immense. And if we take a look at CoinMarketCap, right now Cardano is at a price of 37 cents on its way to 38 cents on the weekend. This is Friday, June 2nd. So as you can see, it's all green. Even if we look at it on the 7 days, it's actually pretty good. On the 1 month, it's in the red because we need to get to about 40 cents for it to be green again. So Cardano's price actually looks pretty good to get involved in right now. And Cardano's actually ranked number 7 at this time, which is decently ranked. 37 cents is actually a pretty good entry point. There is some speculation that price may drop again, and it can be. This is still bearish times. We're not actually out of the woods yet. Things are about to turn around, maybe in the next couple months. We don't know yet. The halving is the utmost indicator of when we're going to turn around. As history speaks, it should turn around after the halving. So jumping right into Bitcoin is still the mother of all cryptos, number one. Its prices just went back up to over 27,000. This is very good, especially on the weekend. On June 2nd, the weekend, Friday, it went back from 26,000, high 26, all the way back to 27. This is a very good indicator that things are not what everybody was thinking, but we still don't know. We're in bearish sentiment right now still, and give it a little bit of time. DCAing in is very safe. Put a little bit here, a little bit there. That way you're covered in the event that it does price drop down a little bit or a lot of bit. There's some speculation about Bitcoin going down to 25, even all the way down to 24. I highly doubt it. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. Do your research. Look into it. If you think Bitcoin is going to hit high numbers, maybe even 100,000 in the next couple of years, 27,000 is not a bad entry point. And if we take a look at the fear and greed index right now, Bitcoin is not doing bad. It's actually a little bit neutral, falling into the greed category. And that's where we know that the sentiment is starting to change. So people are starting to get more greedy, buying more Bitcoin. The price starts to go up. And it's a better time for anybody who bought, especially who bought in at 16,000. So you could take your chances now, non-financial advice, and buy Bitcoin now, or wait a little bit. Maybe the price drops down, fear starts to panic, people out, people dump, and you get a good entry point maybe at 26, 25 again. I don't think it's going too much further than that, just my opinion. So this is a good article about Bitcoin raising back above 27,000, but it also talks about Litecoin gaining the best momentum of all the cryptos in the ecosystem right now. Now, I'm not going to read the article. I know a lot of YouTubers do that. They read articles to you guys. I'm not going to read it. The gist of what's going on here is that Bitcoin is sustaining a very healthy price level of between 26 and 27,000. Remember, we were at 15.8. This is not bad. This is actually pretty good. We're sustaining a level with Bitcoin. This happened in 2019. I don't want to mislead you, but this is not a scary time in Bitcoin. It can be, but U.S. regulations coming out. Countries that were against crypto before are now starting to embrace it. The U.S. is going to have no choice but to embrace it as well. Once they do that, it's a game changer, in my opinion. Right now, we could take this stuff with a grain of salt, but keep in mind that if you're in this ecosystem and you really believe in it, this may be a good opportunity for you. So I found this website, Look Into Crypto, is actually really good. It gives several different indicators and they offer free stock to flow, the Bitcoin investor tool, 2-year moving average multiplier, the 200-week moving average heat map, and the Bitcoin hash rate. So as you can see on all of these indicators, with the exception of hash rate, that we're in the cold areas. We're in the below areas, not the heated area, but all the cold areas. What this means is that we probably hit the bottom. I personally believe that we did hit the bottom. I believe we hit the bottom over here, which was 15,800. But that's just my opinion. I believe that things are going to slowly turn around for Bitcoin, Cardano, for all of crypto, Ethereum as well. Things will turn around. Things will get better. Price will start to rise. People are going to start getting into crypto. Countries are going to start getting into crypto. It's going to be more of a useful ecosystem, and more widespread use case will eventually start to manage its way into normal society. I believe 2025, 2026 is going to be a major milestone for all of crypto, and its inclusion into our everyday lives is going to start around that time. That's my opinion. So in my humble opinion, do I believe that we hit the bottom? Yes, I do. Cardano and Bitcoin are at their bottom levels. Is there a chance that it can go down again? Yes, it can. How far can it go down? I think Cardano can hit again, maybe in the high 27s, 29, 20 cents area, low 30s. Bitcoin possibly hit 24, 25,000, very low area. I think so. I don't think it goes lower than that. I think these are still good DCA points and where dollar cost average where you can get in now, start buying a little bit at a time. So if you had, let's say $1,000 and you start to put in $50, $25 here and there on the crypto, not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. So that way you don't put all your eggs in one basket, and you have an opportunity to buy at periods where it goes down and appreciates in value, and then it goes up. Then you find your happy medium and where you are. So to me, this is a no-brainer, in my opinion, not financial advice. Good opportunity to get into crypto, to invest and take a chance. I don't tell you that this is something you should or must do, but crypto is, in my belief, humble belief, the future of our economy, of our daily lives and our security, our network system, and how we're going to manage our day-to-day lives in everything that we do. From identity to ownership to insurance to medical to whatever have you is coming, to government policy, crypto will be the forefront of it. So if you like the content, hit that like button. If you want to get notified every time I make a video, hit that bell notification. Subscribe to the channel, Black Star Crypto, support it. And remember, Saturday and Sunday, we have ClubHouse going on. Link is in the description at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come and talk. Let's chat. We'll talk about crypto. We'll talk about DeFi. We'll talk about Cardano. We'll talk about the future in blockchain and where it's going. So again, thank you. Black Star, light in the darkness. Peace.